Assalamualaikum and good day, Miss Izati and everyone. My name is Izati. Imagine being a PPKI teacher who teaches students with different learning abilities every single day. During our interviews and classroom observations, we discovered that teachers spend a significant amount of time preparing different teaching materials for each student. This real-life challenge inspired us to develop the AutiFlex Modular Learning Kit, a reusable and flexible learning solution specially designed for autistic learners. From Assignment 1, our empathy research revealed four major problems. First, teachers spend too much time preparing different teaching materials. Second, many learning resources can only be used for one activity and create unnecessary waste. Third, every autistic learner has different abilities, making it difficult to use the same material for everyone. Last, purchasing multiple teaching aids can be costly for schools and teachers. Therefore, teachers need one reusable solution that is flexible, organized, and easy to use.
Our solution is the AutiFlex Modular Learning Kit. Instead of preparing many different teaching aids, teachers only need one modular learning kit. It combines mathematics, science, and measurement activities using interchangeable learning cards. The kit is reusable, easy to organize, and suitable for different learning levels. By reducing disposable worksheets and encouraging reusable materials, our innovation also supports SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. Our primary customers are PPKI teachers, special education schools, and autism therapy centers throughout Malaysia. Parents are also an important customer group because artifacts can be used at home. Our brand focuses on flexibility, inclusion, and sustainability. Unlike ordinary flashcards or imported learning kits, Artiflex combines multiple learning activities in one reusable product that is affordable and designed according to the Malaysian education context.
Our main revenue comes from one-time product sales. We also plan to generate additional income through expansion packs, customized school packages, and teacher workshops. The estimated selling price of our AutiFlex Modular Learning Kit is 598 until 60 ringgit, with an estimated production cost of 30 ringgit, giving a healthy gross profit margin. This business model is practical, scalable, and suitable for all small Malaysian SME. To grow this startup, collaboration is essential. We hope to partner with PPKI schools and therapy centers for pilot testing and continuous product improvement. We also seek support from agencies such as SME Corp Malaysia and MDEC for business development and digital marketing. Our long-term goal is to introduce AutiFlex to schools across Malaysia and eventually expand into the ASEAN education market.
Throughout this project, we continuously improved our prototype based on user feedback. From interviews, observations, and testing, we refined the card size, storage system, and modular design. This iterative process helped transform our initial idea into more practical and market-ready solution. To move our AutiFlex Modular Learning Kit to the next level, we are seeking three important supports. First, a pilot program with PPKI schools and therapy centers. Second, initial funding to produce our first commercial batch. Third, strategic partnerships with organizations such as SME Corp Malaysia and MDEC. We believe AutiFlex Modular Learning Kit is more than just a teaching aid. It is a sustainable learning solution that empowers teachers, supports autistic learners, and promotes responsible education. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum.